Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to prevent table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click inside the specific table row that is breaking awkwardly across a page divider, or highlight the entire table to adjust all rows at once. Right-click inside the highlighted table area to open the context menu pop-up. Scroll down through the options and select Table Properties near the bottom of the list. A Table Properties sidebar panel will open on the right side of your document screen. Click on the Row section inside the sidebar panel to expand the Row Properties menu layout. Locate the checkbox setting labeled Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. Uncheck the box next to Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages to disable splitting. Google Docs will instantly shift the entire table row intact to the top of the next page whenever it runs out of space, preventing mid-row text cutoffs. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.